Hi there, welcome to Techie. The purpose of this instructional video is to show you just how quick and easy it is to set up the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington standing decoration. The only things that you will need to set up the item are a small Phillips crosshead screwdriver to open the battery compartment, and 4 brand new AA alkaline batteries, not included. We suggest taking everything out of the box before you begin. Your parts list is as follows: head and body, bow tie, metal stand, shoes, and leg poles. Don't turn the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington standing decoration on until you've completely finished assembling the item. Let's begin. Insert the bottom leg poles, labeled A, into the metal stand, matching A to A. Slide the shoes over the lower leg poles connected to the metal stand. Insert the upper leg poles into the lower leg poles, matching B to B. Carefully remove Jack Skellington's pants from the head and body by separating the hook and loop fasteners located on the front of the pants. Slide the pants down the leg holes. And insert the body and head onto the upper leg poles, matching C to C. Reattach the hook and loop fasteners on the front of Jack's pants to the hook and loop fasteners on the head and body. Locate the 2 connection points below Jack's neck. Press fit the bow tie over the 2 connection points and push the bow tie firmly to secure. Open the back of Jack Skellington's jacket to locate the control box. To power the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington standing decoration, open the battery compartment on the control box and insert 4 AA alkaline batteries, not included. The Jack Skellington standing decoration operates in sound and motion activation mode. Any loud sound or detected motion will activate the item. Make a loud sound, or clap, or move in front of the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington standing decoration to activate the silly sequence.
Happy Halloween, everyone!
Turn the power switch, located on the control box, to the on position to operate the Jack Skellington standing decoration. Adjust the volume control knob as needed. Adjust the clothing and pose the Jack Skellington standing decoration as pictured. And your setup is now complete. If you have the foot pad, which is sold separately, carefully connect the foot pad cable into the Jack labeled foot pad located on the control box. Place the switch to the foot pad position to enable foot pad activation. Step on the foot pad to activate the silly sequence. If you are using an external speaker, sold separately, plug the external speaker cord into the jack labeled Speaker Jack, located on the control box. Use the volume control knob on your external speaker to control volume levels. Use external speakers with an impedance of 8 ohms only. Turn the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington standing decoration off when not in use. We recommend that you operate the item in an indoor or sheltered outdoor area. Make sure there are no obstructions to hinder the Jack Skellington standing decoration's movement. Stay clear of the item while operating. Don't place weight on the moving parts of the item while operating. And make sure to place the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington standing decoration on a flat, level, hard surface to ensure best operation. For more information, visit our website at techiedesign.com and click on Customer Support for other helpful tips and troubleshooting. Also available are downloadable instructions and product setup videos. To purchase optional equipment such as foot pad triggers for activation, DC adapters to power your items, and external speakers to amplify the fun, visit techieaccessories.com. Thank you and happy haunting!